to our virtual assembly. This is Helen, your student layout secretary. March we focus on Habit 7, Sharpen the Saw. For first grade, Miss Peñas' class, Jayla Luna. Miss Rios' class, Catalina Segal, Melissa Camarena. Miss Pinedos' class, Ariana Saguro.
Yes. For second grade, Miss Still's class, Mu Lee. Miss Plummer's class, Montserrat Peralta, Alexander Ma. Miss Herrera's class, Natalia Ponce, Ider Peralta.
For third grade, Mrs. Half's class, Jaden Espinosa and Carlos Uribe. For Mrs. Flores' class, Irina Key and Josue Savillon. Mrs. Aguirre's class, Matthew Rincon and Martin Albor. Mrs. Hendrickson's class, Ethan Leon and Edith Castro.
There was Captain Washington upon a slapping stallion, giving orders.
Alright, here to announce the winners for the March word count. For second grade with 359,484 words, Ms. Herrera's class. For third grade with 433,590 words, Ms. Bautista Flores' class. Congratulations to the winners.
Yankee Doodle went to town.
Hello, Shirpser Spartans. This is Mr. Padilla. At this time, I would like to announce the winning classrooms with the highest attendance percentage for the month of March. That's first grade, the classroom with the highest attendance percentage. Congratulations to 98.55%, Miss Rios' class. In second grade, the classroom with the highest attendance percentage with 97.46%. Congratulations to Miss Herrera's class. In third grade, in that competition with 98.26%, the classroom that gets the trophy is Miss Henderson's class. Congratulations. Now, in our competition, you know we have two competitions. One is between kinder, first, second, and third grade. In that competition, the classroom that beat out all the grades goes to 98.55%. Congratulations, Miss Rios' class. Remember, our goal is 98% or higher, and remember to strive for less than 5 days absent.
Congratulations, leaders. You may pick up your Habit Award and Reading Award today from 12 to 2:30. This concludes our assembly. Thank you and have a great weekend.